Welcome! This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to update your profile in the MIA Member Services portal. Go to MIA website at www.mia.org.my. Click on Member Login. You will then be directed to the MIA Member Services portal. Enter your username using your registered email address or member number without CA. Next, enter your password. Then, click Login. Click on Update My Profile. Please review and update your personal details, correspondence address, and residential address. Once completed, click Save. Next, click on the Interests tab. Select the categories that match your professional interest. Once completed, click Save. Next, click on the Qualifications tab. To update your qualifications, click Add New Qualification. Fill in all the required details. Once completed, click Save. Next, click on the Work Experience tab. To update your work experience, click Add New Work Experience. Fill in all the required details. Once completed, click Save. Next, click on the Supporting Documents tab. You may upload supporting documents, such as your new IC or passport, updated qualifications, or other relevant documents. To upload your supporting documents, click Add New Document. Once completed, click Save. You have now successfully updated your profile. Thank you for watching.